కలిపినప్పుడే అప్పలా ఖుషి ఖుషి ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళా జన మళ్ళా పోపుడు మారి మళ్ళా జనానికి ఎక్కల అవే ఖుషి లచ్చికల అమ్మిల మళ్ళా మళ్ళీ ఎంకప్పుడు మారి కుదాటం అవే ఎంకల ఖుషి ఎంకల చూడగల వాన ఇంకా ఇప్పుడు ఖుషి చూడా నిగల ఉండేది అన్న ఖుషి ಅವರು ಅದೇ
ಕೊರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್
ದೇವರು ನಿಕ್ಕು ಸದಾ ಖುಷಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸೋಡು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಮಲ್ಪಡು ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಮಲ್ತನಡ ಪುಡ್ಲೆ ಈ ಮಾತೆರೆಗಳ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಪಿಡಕನ ತುಪ್ಪ ಅಂಚನೆ ದೇವರು ನಿನ್ನನು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಮಲ್ಪಡು ಅವೇ ಎಂಕಲ್ಲ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ
ಲತಿಕಾ ನಿನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮಲ್ಲೆ ಅಮ್ಮಿನ ಮಲ್ಲ ನಿಗಲ ಮನಸ್ಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಕಡೆ ಮಾತಾರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೆರಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ಬಣ್ಣ ಎತ್ತು ಜನಕುಲ್ ಕೋಡಿ ಅಂತೀರಿ ಲತ್ಕ ಬರ್ತಲು ಗಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ ಲತ್ತಿಗ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ತಲೆ ಒಂದು ಜೋಕುಲ್ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಜೋಕುಲ್ಲ ಎತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಮಲ್ತ ತಲೆಗೆ ಅಂಚನೆ ಓದಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಲತ್ತಿಕನ್ನಗ ಕುഞ്ഞി ಭಾರಿ ಮಲ್ಲ ಜನ ಅವಡು ಎಂಕ ಅವೇ ಇಚ್ಛ ಪ್ರಕಾಶನೊಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಖುಷಿ ಖುಷಿಟೇ ಪೋಡು ನಾನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಎಂಕಲೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಲೆ ಬೋಡು
Happy birthday, Litika Auntie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
ಲತಿಕಾ ಆಂಟಿ
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Enjoy your birthday, Latika. We all love you. Have a fabulous and a very wonderful birthday from all of us. Bye. Bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, Latika.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you.
Happy birthday, Latika. So I've been asked to say two things about you, one good and one bad. So the good thing I know about you is that you cook kick-ass food. I've seen a lot of pictures of your delicacies on WhatsApp. Really amazing. But now the bad part about you is that you have never invited us to eat those delicacies.
Latika, may you be blessed with lots of happiness and love. Have a great day ahead. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday and have a good one. Cheers.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Latika. Happy birthday to you. Flying kiss kare. God bless you, Latika. Have lots of fun and joy and make PS cook for you breakfast, lunch and dinner. All the best. Yours is. All the best, Pane. All the best. Say, all the best, say. Flying kiss kole, flying kiss.
Happy birthday, Latika Auntie.
Hey Latika, happy birthday.
Hi Latika. Happy
birthday. Have a great year. Have a wonderful year ahead. Loads of love from the both of us here.
May you have a joyful year and all the prosperity in the coming days ahead.
Stay home, stay safe and have a great birthday. We love you a lot.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
ಹಲೋ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಈಗ ಎಂಚಲ್ಲ ಪುರ ಇತ್ತೆ ತೋರಾತನ ಸಪುರಾತನ ಅಟಿಲ್ ಮಲ್ತದು ಪಾಪ ನನ್ನ ಎತ್ತಮ ಇಲ್ಲಾಡ ಒಕ್ಕ ಎಂಚಿನ ಅಟಿಲ್ ಮಲ್ದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಕೊಡು ಇತ್ತೆ ಅಟಿಲ್ ಮಲ್ಪ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪಾಪ ಲತ್ತಿಕಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಬರೋದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದ
ಲತಿಕಾ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿ ಮಾಮಿ ಪಂಡೇರದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ತಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತುಂಡ ಬರೋಂತು ನಗ ಇದೇ ಬರ್ತಿ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಗಾಡಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಪಾಪ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ఒక బట్టి అవసరం పట్టేట్టు కొంచెం ఆన్లో వంగి పొంగులు రద్దు జోకులు ఆవిడకే తిన పప్ప వంతిని వరని అవా ఎంకల్ల ఆశీర్వాద ఆಯ್ತು ಬಾಯ್
ಲತಿಕಾ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಬಾಲೆಪ್ಪನಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲೇನ ಕಾಡ್ದ ಕಾರೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ಕೈ ಟೊಂಜಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಎಲು ಕೊರಡಿ ಮದ್ ಕೂದೊಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಡ
दादे मलतंतीन कट्टद दादे मलतंतीन ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಎಂಕವ್
ಕಾಡ್ದ ಕಾರೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿನಾಲೆ
ದೇಗ್ ದೇಗ್
ಪರತೊಂದು ಮಾತ ಮೋರಿ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಬಂತು ಪರತೊಂದು ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್
ಗೊತ್ತಾಂಡು
ಪಕ್ಕ ಒಂತ ಮಲ್ಲಾಜ್ ಪಕ್ಕ ಪಪ್ಪ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಸೈಕಲ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಡು ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೊರ ಬಿಡೋಂತೀವಳು
ತಿರ್ಗಾರನೆ
ಸೈಕಲ್ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಹೋರ ಬಿದ್ದಣ್ಣಾಗ ನಾನು ವಿಶ್ವಾಲ್ ಬೇಡ
ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್
ಲತಿಕಾ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ
మీరా దొడమ ఇట్లా మోనే తోచి మీరా దొడమన మోనే తోచాలే
ఏం మళ్ళీ మోనే
తోజుండు ఎత్తే తోజుండు
Happy birthday, Latika. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Latika. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you.
Hey Latika, have a lovely birthday. You know what I like best about you? It's your dedication to your goal, to your family. You're awesome. And you got a very good partner in PS. God bless you both.
Happy birthday, Latika. Happy birthday, Latika.
Happy birthday, Latika akka.
God bless you. See you soon. Deve redde malpadu.
Hey Latika, many happy returns of the day to you. Chinu told me to make a video of one thing I don't like and one thing I like about you. I don't think there's anything that I don't like about you. You are one sweet package. Wish you a very happy birthday again and hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful year ahead. Thanks.
Happy birthday, Latika akka. Happy birthday, Latika.
Happy birthday, Latika.
Happy birthday, Latika.
Happy birthday, Latika.
हैप्पी बर्थडे लतिका. ढक्कन जैसी है वैसे ही रहना. आई एम ग्लैड दैट आई फाउंड यू इन माई लाइफ. यू आर माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड एवर. You know, I don't have really a good friends when you are there where I can lean upon. I love you from the moon and to the back. Be the same, but थोड़ा बहुत चीज़ें चेंज करना पड़ेगा. Like getting my dress back. You have borrowed it sometime back and you never thought of returning me. Please do that. There are almost pile of my clothes which are there with you. So better return it, okay? However, you know, you are the one whom I can rely to 100% because you don't judge me. And I think the best part between us is that we can depend upon each other, talk to each other whenever we want to. If you feel lost, you feel like talking to someone, you are the one whom I can just quickly call and talk. Look now, Shiva is banging behind the block and not allowing me to talk. But जैसी है ना वैसी रहे. कुछ चीज़ों का इम्प्रूवमेंट सबको करना होता है, सबका प्लस होता है, माइनसेस होता है. तू ही खुद जज कर कि what are your minuses and focus on that. You have a lovely life partner with you. I think only few of us are lucky enough to have such a wonderful partner of life. So just be happy with what you have, and I think life is too short. Enjoy the moment and do all the best that you can do in your life, from your career, from your life, from your partnership. I think this is the moment, and I'm sure you'll do very well. You've been always doing well, and live up to the expectation which you have always done for everyone. I just pray to God that everything is always been wonderful between you and Prakash, and that will always sustain. They'll say love you a lot and pray for your happiness always. Love you, dear. Love you a lot.
Happy birthday, Latika. All the best to you. Stay happy forever. God bless you.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Latika.
ನಮ್ಮನಮ್ಮಿಂಚಿತ್ತಿ ದೈವದೇವೆ ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರಾಣನ ಕರುಗಳು ಕಾತಂದು ಸಕಲ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಕಲ
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Latika.
Happy birthday, Latika.
Happy birthday, Latika. Wish you all the success and happiness.
Hi Latika, wish you a very happy birthday. I was told to speak about one good and one bad quality about you. Honestly speaking, I can't think of any bad qualities. But the best part about you, the best quality about you is your simplicity and your cuteness. You are such a wonderful girl with an amazing sense of humor. You have made your parents, you have made all of us proud of your achievements. So keep soaring, keep shining, keep rising, and God bless you with a lot of happiness, and you enjoy your day. Stay safe, have fun, love you.
Happy birthday, Latika.
Happy birthday, Latika. God bless you.
So we are supposed to say one good and one bad thing about you, but हमको बुरी बात तो नहीं पता, तो दो अच्छी बात बताऊंगी. You've got a very beautiful smile जिसपे जीजू भी फिदा है, and secondly you are such a beautiful person in and out. So wish you a very happy birthday.
And a good cook also.
बहुत मजे करो.
Latika, నేను ఓలా అవగురించి పూర అట్టెగుండి పును God bless you. సౌభాగ్యవతి భవ, సుఖీ భవ. God bless you. Happy birthday. ఖుషి రహో.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Latika. Happy birthday to you.
ಲತಿಕಾ ಹೆಂಗು ಬರ್ಪ ನಿನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಾಗಿತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೈ ಕಿರ್ಮುಂಡು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಗೆತ್ತು ಹುಡುಗೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಏನೇ ಅಂತಿದ್ದ ಲತಿಕಾ ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು ದೇವರ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಅಲ್ಪಡು ನಿನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾಶಗಿಲ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಮಲ್ಪಲೆ ದೀರ್ಘ ಸುಮಂಗಲಿ ಭವ ಶತಪುತ್ರೋ ಭವ.
Asking Shivai to talk to you, but he's been a little adamant and he says no, I will go and talk to Chiki and wish her. See how I go and talk to her and get my gifts from her. So he's not going to give you any gifts, but you definitely have to give him one. So do something to send him the gift, because he's waiting for it desperately, saying this Chiki's birthday, I'm going to get the gift. So do something about it.